You don't need to be a designer anymore to make something look amazing. Not anymore. Google just quietly added one button inside AI Studio that does the design work for you, and I don't think people realize how big of a deal this actually is. It's free. It's already live right now, and honestly, this might be the most slept on update Google's dropped all year. Stick around, because I'm about to break down exactly what it does and how you can use it today. I'm the AI voice clone of Fred. He runs an AI powered online course business and he makes videos on the latest AI news so you're always up to date. If you want to learn how Fred made over 5 grand in 48 hours, he's made a free course, link in description. You can also book a free one-to-one call with Fred or a member of the team and we'll give you a custom step-by-step roadmap for you to get to $10,000 a month and more using AI. Spots are limited. Okay, real quick, in case you've never touched this tool before. Google AI Studio is a free tool from Google, and you just go to the site, tell it what you want, and it builds apps, pages, and little tools for you using Google's Gemini models. No coding skills needed at all. You just explain your idea in plain, normal words, and it puts the whole thing together right there in your browser. Some people call this vibe coding. You're basically describing what you want and watching it appear right in front of you. And the best part, it costs nothing to start. You log in with a Google account and you're in. Now, here's the part that most people get stuck on, and this is important. Building the app itself was already the easy part. Getting it to actually look good, that was the hard part. You'd sit there trying to turn a feeling into words. Make it modern, make it clean, make it look high end. And the AI would take a guess, you'd go back and forth, and it still wouldn't quite hit what you were picturing in your head. Describing a look with words alone is genuinely hard, even for people who are good with words, so Google went and fixed that. They just rolled out a new feature called Design Variations, and this is the update I actually want to talk about today. Here's the deal. You hit one button, and it instantly builds a whole batch of brand new layouts for your app. Different styles, different moods, all generated at once, right in front of you. Then you just flip through them, pick the one you like best, and apply it with a single click. No long prompts, no describing every color and font by hand, trying to get the wording just right. Just click, look, pick, and it's done. Let me paint you the picture of how this actually plays out. Say you build something in AI Studio, it works fine, but it looks pretty flat. In the old way of doing this, you'd be sitting there writing paragraph after paragraph trying to explain the exact style in your head and just crossing your fingers it comes out right. Now, you hit design variations and Google drops a handful of completely new versions of your design right in front of you. You scroll through them kind of like flipping through clothes on a rack. One's bold, one's soft and simple, one's sharp and clean. You click the one you want and your entire app flips to that look instantly. The part that used to eat your whole afternoon now takes a few seconds. By the way, if you want to learn the exact system I've used to make over 5 grand in 48 hours using AI and online courses, I've made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I did that step by step so you can just copy me. The link is in the description below. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below. Now, I know what you're probably thinking. Does the design really matter that much? It really does. People make up their mind about something in a fraction of a second. Before they've even read a single word on your page, they've already judged it, just off the look alone. A clean, sharp layout keeps people there. A messy one chases them off almost instantly. So being able to test a whole pile of different looks in seconds instead of hours, that's a genuinely big deal, especially if you're building anything you want people to actually use. Let me give you a few tips so you get the most out of this, because there's a smart way to use it and there's a lazy way. First, give it a real layout before you press the button. This feature works best when there's already something there to play with. Build your page first, get the main parts in place, then ask for variations. Start from a totally blank screen and the results tend to come back kind of dull. Second, don't just grab the first flashy one you see. Slow down, put them all side by side, and actually look. The shiniest design isn't always the one that actually works. Sometimes the plain, almost boring looking one is the easiest for people to actually use, and that matters more than looking impressive. Third, you can keep rolling. This isn't a one shot deal. Apply a look, sit with it for a minute, and if it's not quite right, hit the button again for a fresh batch. Most people stop way too soon, and the strongest results usually show up after a round or two. Fourth, think about who's actually going to use the thing you're building. A quick site-up page should feel light and fast. A page packed with lessons and information should feel calm and organized. The same look isn't going to fit every single job, so before you lock one in, think about what the person landing there is actually trying to do and pick whatever design helps them do that best. And fifth, pair this with the other design tools already sitting inside AI Studio. Design Variations is great for grabbing the whole look in one shot, but you don't have to stop there. You can also draw right on top of your app in the preview and tell it exactly what to change. So the smart move here is to use Design Variations to lock in a strong base layout fast and then go in and hand tweak the small details afterward. Here's the bigger takeaway though, and I think this is the part people are going to miss completely. We're at the point now where the building part is basically solved. The AI can assemble the actual thing for you without you writing a single line of code. So the new edge, the thing that actually separates people now, is taste, knowing what looks good, knowing what feels clear, knowing what makes someone want to actually stay on a page instead of clicking away. Design Variations hands you a stack of solid options in a matter of seconds, but you're still the one who has to choose the right one. That part is still all you. And the more you practice doing that, the sharper your eye gets over time. And honestly, step back for a second and look at what this actually represents. A year ago, if you couldn't code and you couldn't design, building something that actually looked professional was basically out of reach for you. Now, both of those barriers are getting knocked down by the same tool in the same afternoon for free. That's not a small update. That's Google quietly removing one of the last real excuses people had for not building the thing they've been sitting on for months. New features like this are dropping out of Google almost every single week right now, and the gap between the people actually using these tools and the people just watching videos about them keeps getting wider every single day. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free, and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.